been asked frequently from a lot of people on how do I have cut my cookies shapes, and this video will help you with clear instruction how do you cut your cookies if you don't have a particular cutter. I have already rolled out the cookie dough. If you want the sugar cookies dough recipe, I have shared this recipe link below in the description box. Also, you can reach there from the I button, just follow the arrow. Deer and wolf, these are the cookies shapes that I gonna be cut today. I took the paper print of these shapes to use as a template. You can start by drawing the shape on paper that you want for your cookies as a template. I cut this shape with the scissors and put the deer template on the top of the chilled cookie dough. And start cutting the shape by tracing off the template with the sharp knife edge. You can also use a pen blade or an X-Acto knife. Here, hold your knife straight facing upward so you can cut exactly fine and nice cookie in shape. I found it easier to hand cut my dough with the firmer dough, so I usually chill my dough for 60 minutes in the fridge beforehand. Now rub an offset spatula in the plain flour and lift the shape out carefully. Flour make it easier for you to lift up the shape nicely. Look at the shape, this is perfectly hand cut out cookie. Next, with the help of a knife or a tool, make the edges smooth and tidy up if it is required. And when you are happy with the shape, place it on the baking tray. Now let's hand cut the second shape. This one has little sections that will be easier to cut with small blade, and be careful while cutting the shape. Again, use an offset spatula to take the shape out, and with the help of knife or tool, tidy up the edges. Remove the template and place the cookie onto the baking tray. These are ready. Now bake these at 170 degrees centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes. These are the hand-cut cookies after they came out of the oven and have cooled down. You can see they have retained their shape pretty well, and no one can say these are hand-cut.
Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Let's decorate these cookies with the royal icing. Again, I cut the paper template to mark the face area. Make the outline of face with the edible black marker. Here I mixed black and blue color in my royal icing. You can see the consistency of this icing. It's just like liquid honey. Now outline and flood the cheek section of this cookie with light gray color, medium consistency icing. I have shared the recipe of royal icing below in the description of video. You can get it from there. Now outline and fill the top section with dark gray color, medium consistency icing. And with the help of stripe tool, smooth out and shape the icing and let the icing crust over. Pipe black medium consistency icing on the outer ears. Now pipe nose and eyes with this black icing. You can see the shape, it's finally done and it looks so pretty. Next, cut the deer face template to make the face outline with the yellow or light colored edible marker. Outline and flood the bottom section with the beige color medium consistency icing. Use a stripe tool to smooth out and shape the icing. Now outline and fill the top section with brown medium consistency icing. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and write down in comment section how do you find my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. These cookies are ready. No one even can guess these are hand cut and decorate with the simple techniques. Do comment under this video if you like it and share with others.